Imprints is a contemporary art project, and I guess that's what it's for, but it's about place and identity and showing a community a contemporary art process as well.
Imprints 2012 is collecting lots of different stories from different people from 7 different locations, which will become a data bank for future projects and which Michelle and I will use as a base to choose one story from each location and convert that into a contemporary artwork.
Most of the stories we've collected from the local residents along the Central Coast is their sense of identity and place to the land, the animals that are around them, the water, and personal memories of growing up in this area. A lot of people returning back to the Central Coast and commuting from either Sydney or Newcastle for work.
I think every place and space has got an identity, and that it is extremely important for people to know or to share that identity. So the identity of place, and it is very interesting research in trying to find that identity and then finding means of conveying that identity to people so they might learn what the identity is, or to people so they will recognize what they already knew.
Spirit in our identity is really important to the Central Coast. There's so many people that have got really strong ownership of the area, and they really celebrate who they are and the region itself, and it's really exciting to learn the stories of the people here, because people are so passionate. It's such a passionate area, and it's just, it's really important to anyone, I think, the place where you live, the place that you grow up, the place that you come to, the place that you rest. I think the biggest thing we've learned so far in this project is not kind of why did you come here, but why did you stay here?
This creative project is extremely empowering for the Central Coast community, because I believe that everyone has a sense of belonging and identity, and the empowering part is that it will be shared with a lot of others.
To come into this caravan has been very empowering immediately for quite a few people that we experienced, because talking with us, it sometimes brings to the fore underlying thoughts that they haven't been able to express before. So we've had people in a caravan that afterwards really go like, wow, thank you, because now I actually found words to express my emotions, or I found an answer to a question I didn't even know I had. It's an outlet where people can share frustrations, because we're not just collecting nice stories or lovely stories. You can also talk about things that are wrong or should be changed or have had a negative impact on your lives, which is also part of your identity. And then it is again back to us to use those emotions that we have collected here and put them in the artworks so people who see, who encounter or hear or experience the artworks at the end get that emotional response that we have been given by these people and that people have taken away from being in a caravan with us.